I had fallen in love with a movie I'd seen called The Hairy Ape with William Bendix. And he was a stoker. A stoker is a guy who puts the coal into the furnace.
If you was Italian, you worked for the Department of Sanitation. If you was Irish, you became a New York City policeman. Those were the avenues that opened to you. Hispanics and blacks at that particular time had very limited opportunity to become either one of those occupations. So you did what you had to do to survive.
A mí me había dicho mi hermano Ramón, que en paz descanse, que estuvo trabajando en un barco que se llamaba el Coamo. Entonces me decía, cuando yo estaba enfermo, vino enfermo y estuve enfermo en casa, y me decía, cuando yo me cure te voy a llevar a Nueva York porque tú eres buena para marinera.
In 1937, the National Maritime Union was established to provide security and benefits for the men and women of the United States Merchant Marine. This is the story of those men and women, the downfall of their union and the struggle for their rightful share.
There was never a question of medical. There was no medical, because you're expected to have Medicare when you retire.
Al principio fue buena, pero después fue cambiando.
Fue buena, pero también tuvo su fracaso.
Imagine, just in one injection a month, you're going to pay over $5,000.